Welcome back to MR AutoNex Review, where we explore the future of automotive luxury and performance. Today, we're diving into something that looks like it's been pulled right from a futuristic sci-fi film. Meet the 2026 BMW Motorhome, a groundbreaking blend of cutting-edge engineering and ultra-luxury living on wheels. This isn't just another recreational vehicle. It's BMW's vision of mobility and opulence merging into a single, rolling work of art.
In today's deep dive, we'll uncover every facet of this incredible machine. The daring exterior design, the lavish private jet-inspired cabin, the over-the-top performance figures, and yes, the price tag that firmly plants it in the world of the elite. Let's start with the styling. The 2026 BMW Motorhome reinvents what a highway cruiser can look like. At the front, a sweeping glass cockpit dominates the nose. The windshield arcs downward dramatically from the high roofline to the bumper, evoking stealth aircraft design more than conventional RV styling. In the center, BMW's iconic kidney grille is presented in a reimagined vertical form, bordered by razor-sharp LED strips that pulse with futuristic intensity. Its face is bold, aggressive, and unmistakably BMW. The body is cloaked in matte graphite gray, a tone that feels equally sophisticated and intimidating. Contrasting against the dark finish are large BMW gold lettering logos along the sides, subtle yet authoritative. The side windows melt seamlessly into the bodywork, preserving its aerodynamic silhouette and ensuring privacy. Every feature is purposeful. Camera-based mirrors replace bulky housings, access ladders retract flush with the surface, and sculpted vents double as design and function. And then there's the stance. Impossibly low, impossibly wide. This titan of the road runs on 10 turbine-inspired black wheels, paired with ultra-low profile tires. The hauntingly long wheelbase anchors the road presence, giving this machine the aura of a land yacht, combined with the menace of a supercar. This isn't a mobile camper. It's a fortress infused with performance DNA. Step inside and you're greeted by luxury on a scale almost unmatched in mobile living. With a soft sweep, the motorized doors open into a world that feels more like a high-end private jet than an RV. BMW's design team has taken their craftsmanship philosophy and expanded it to a full luxury apartment on wheels. The floors are engineered wood, accented by clean, glowing LED strips tracing the pathways. The walls and ceiling are lined with Alcantara and soft leather, both tactile and elegant. Illumination adjusts automatically, bright and energizing at dawn, balanced daylight tones midday, and warm ambient hues at night. It's an environment designed to adapt to you, not the other way around. The main lounge is modular by nature. At the push of a capacitive touchscreen, the space reconfigures. A plush cinema experience with retractable displays, a formal dining space with fold-out tables, or a contemporary lounge perfect for conversation. Seating adjusts and repositions silently. It's flexibility without compromise, giving you 3 environments in one. The kitchen is a showcase of compact luxury. Recessed induction cooktops vanish beneath quartz countertops. A full-size refrigerator slides out smoothly. Hidden behind sleek cabinetry, you'll even find a dishwasher, a rarity for RVs. And yes, because it's BMW, there's a precision-engineered espresso machine built into the cabinetry. Cupboards close softly with magnetic latches. Counters sparkle beneath LED task lighting, and the overall presence feels less like kitchen in an RV and more like a designer demonstration apartment in Munich.
At the rear lies the private escape, a luxurious bedroom. A queen-sized floating bed sits centrally with memory foam cushioning adapted for long-term comfort. Electrochromic skylights offer a view of the stars or complete blackout at a touch. Curved ambient lights cradle the room in gentle tones. Integrated speakers play either cinematic soundtracks or calming ambience. Along one side, a fold-out desk creates an instant workstation with USB-C, HDMI, and wireless charging hubs built in. Traveling doesn't mean leaving productivity behind. BMW has designed mastery of comfort and work in one unified space. And beneath all of that elegance, power beyond imagination. The 2026 BMW Motorhome employs a hybrid twin-turbocharged V12 engine paired with multiple electric motors, creating a combined output of around 1,200 horsepower. Yes, you heard that correctly. That's hypercar territory. This massive Land Cruiser rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, defying expectations of physics with grace. The immense power isn't purely indulgence. It's necessary to move a vehicle of this scale at speed while preserving control and dignity. Control is further reinforced by BMW's technology arsenal. Adaptive suspension continuously alters ride height and damping in real time. It lowers for stability on the Autobahn and raises to conquer rugged tracks or steep inclines. Four-wheel steering shrinks turn radius by meters, crucial for maneuvering in tight urban areas. Full-time all-wheel drive guarantees grip in snow, gravel, or rain. Autonomous driving capability is here too. Level 4 autonomy built in. On mapped highways and specific zones, the vehicle handles acceleration, steering, and braking entirely. The driver can relinquish duties and relax while the machine guides itself like an intelligent chauffeur. Safety systems integrate predictive AI traffic management, automatic lane changes, emergency evasive maneuvers, and constant surveillance of 360 degrees through high-resolution camera suites. This motorhome isn't just a fortress, it is a watchful guardian. For energy independence, the roof includes expansive solar panels to charge onboard domestic systems. Paired with a robust battery bank, this allows truly off-grid living for several uninterrupted days. No noisy generators required. It's luxury aligned with sustainability. And now, the reality check. Price. This isn't a motorhome aimed at regular road trippers. The base starts at $1.2 million, already placing it among the rarest automotive creations. Fully optioned with bespoke interior trims, digital upgrades, and BMW's performance packages, the upper figure hovers close to $1.8 million. That makes this one of the most exclusive vehicles you can buy anywhere in the world. To most, it's impossible. To a select few, it's irresistible. Because this is more than a vehicle. It is a lifestyle blueprint. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is tailored for leaders, visionaries, entrepreneurs, and performers who refuse to accept compromise in travel. It's a penthouse that moves, an art gallery on the highway, a luxury yacht translated for land. So what does this all add up to? A bold exterior design unlike anything else, an interior more suited to the skies than the road, performance figures that push the boundaries of belief, and a price tag that ensures the 2026 BMW Motorhome remains a unicorn for the elite. It leaves us with one compelling question. Is this the most luxurious motorhome ever built? With the balance of relentless engineering, outlandish horsepower, breathtaking design, and indulgent living, the case is strong. For many of us, it will remain a dream. For a few, it is about to be reality. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more future-focused vehicles, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you leave your traditional home behind for this BMW creation? This has been MR AutoNex Review, and we thank you for joining us on this incredible look at the 2026 BMW Motorhome. We'll be back with more groundbreaking machines soon.